Good morning, children. In continuation with the chapter Concept of Economics, today we are going to discuss on the topic Statistics in Economics. Well, children, if we ask from a layman, what is a statistics? He might say that statistics is something like a store of quantitative information. Very true. Statistics means quantitative information of the facts and findings. But then the question arises, how do we get that quantitative information? There must be some system, a method or technique to collect that quantitative information. And then how that raw information which has been collected can be classified or tabulated systematically so that it could be presented. That means one has to learn the system of presentation and classification of data. There should be or there must be a set method and technique to condense the data so that one can come on the conclusion. Maybe that could be an average or percentage. That means that the method or technique to analyze or interpret the data is very important for a student of economics to know. So all these methods and techniques to understand the statistics is all about statistics. Now children, this statistics has been defined in different way by the different economists. Like Croxton and Corden has defined statistics in a singular way, that is in a singular noun, which goes like this. Statistics may be defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data, which means that it refers to the technique or method which has been related to collection, classification, presentation, analysis and interpretation of quantitative data. Similarly, another economist, Bowley, has defined statistics as statistics are numerical statements of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. He has defined statistics in plural noun, which means that statistics refer to information in terms of numbers or numerical data, such as it could be a population statistics, it could be an employment statistics where we collect in number, or let's say the statistics concerning the public expenditure. Now the question comes, what are the features of statistics in plural sense, or you can say as a numerical data? So the first characteristics of statistic in plural sense is aggregate of facts, which means a single number does not constitute a statistics, because with that number we cannot conclude anything. We cannot come to any conclusion. It is only the aggregate number of facts which is called statistics. For example, if we say there are 1,000 students in college, then this is not statistics. But if we say there are 300 students in arts, 400 in commerce and 300 in science, then it makes a sense. It's a statistical sense, and this data is known as statistics. Then the next characteristic is numerically expressed. Statistics can be expressed in terms of numbers. That means it could be expressed in quantitative form, not in a qualitative aspects like small or big, rich or poor. For example, you can say Irfan Pathan is tall and Sachin is short. This is no statistical sense. If it is to be stated, then the height of Irfan Pathan is 6 feet 2 inches and that of Sachin is 5 feet and 4 inches. Then these numericals can be called statistics. Then we have the third one, that is affected by multiplicity of causes. Now statistics are not affected by any single factor but are influenced by many factors. Now when we are influenced by many factors, then for example if we say 30% rise in price may have been done due to several causes like reduction in supplies, increase in demand, shortage of power, rise in wages or taxes, and so on. Now the next characteristics is reasonable accuracy. Now when we talk about the reasonable accuracy, a reasonable degree of accuracy must be kept while collecting the data, as this accuracy depends on the purpose of investigation. The next characteristics is placed in relation to each other. Now all the numericals alone will be not giving or not coming to any sense. That means the quality of comparison cannot be a statistics unless we do not compare the data. For example, if we say, let's say Ram is 40 years old, Mohan is 5 feet tall, then these numbers will not call statistics as they are not mutually related for the comparison. Next statistics characteristics is predetermined purpose. Now, statistics are collected with some predetermined objective. That means any information collected without any definite purpose will only be a numerical value and not statistics. Then the next characteristic is enumerated or estimated. Now there is a difference between enumerated and estimated. Statistics may be called by enumeration or let's say estimated. For example, if 1 lakh people attended the rally, let's say addressed by the Prime Minister in Delhi, and 2 lakh in Mumbai, then statistics will be based on estimation. And the field of inquiry is limited. Now, for example, if we say that 20 students are present in the class or 10 workers are working in the factory, then this could be estimated. Then comes the last characteristics, that is collected in a systematic manner. That means statistics should be collected in a systematic manner. Before collecting, a plan must be prepared, because you cannot come to any conclusion drawn from any kind of a data which is haphazard manner. So the data regarding the marks secured by any student of a college without any reference, let's say of class, subject or examination, will lead to no conclusion. So that means that all numerical data cannot be called statistics, but all statistics are called numerical data. Thank you.